you're experiencing account sync issues on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enable the sync feature effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. You can do this by navigating to the settings menu and selecting the network option to verify your connection status. Step 2. Update Steam client. Make sure your Steam client is up to date. Go to the Steam library and check for any available updates. If an update is available, download and install it to ensure you have the latest features and fixes. Step 3. Verify account settings. Log into your Steam account and check your account settings. Navigate to the account section and ensure that the sync settings are enabled. Look for options related to cloud saves and account synchronization. Step 4. Restart Steam Deck. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve sync issues. Power off your Steam Deck completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can refresh the system and help establish a better connection. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Steam support for further assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, and they can help troubleshoot or provide solutions specific to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues on your Steam Deck. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the Steam community or support team.